Hi guys, thanks for tuning into Tech Overlords, and today we will be taking a look at the Dell Corseca Byte DM5710BT stereo headphone. Now BT stands for Bluetooth, which you obviously can understand. So as you can see in the video, 22 hours of constant playback time, which is fucking amazing in my opinion. Foldable design, a plus I think again, and stylish and fashionable design. Okay, we'll see it as you open the box. On the back we have the general specs. You can go through the specs. I'm not going to read it out. And here you have a picture of the left ear cup where it displays all the functions of the buttons placed. So this thing doesn't have Dell name displayed anywhere on the box, but when I bought this from Amazon, it was advertised as Dell Corseca Bluetooth headphones. So Dell is essentially making a collaboration with Corseca to make this headphone, which is the Corseca Byte. So the travel case is pretty good, a nice portable case. You have a leather strap and you have a zip here, so nice protective case in my opinion. You can carry it anywhere you want to. The headphones are, wow man, they look nice. They're folded nicely inside and protected with that leather strap. Sorry, it's not a leather strap, it looks like a seat belt to me. And you have that small pocket on the top which has all the documentary. By the way, this is the warranty card, which you should safely preserve it in your inventory. So I think for the price, like $20 or slightly more, this guy goes on Amazon for I think 1400 rupees right now, which is quite cheap, and I highly recommend this product. What's this? Okay, let's focus on the this is the manual. You have the manual, which is great. You can study the functions here. You can learn from here in case if you cannot use it by your own. So what's this? Oh, it's a bell. I think I'll keep it aside. What else? What's this? Okay, you have the USB cable for charging. And what's this? Looks like a credit card or something like that. So it shows your model name and nothing else, as you can see. Slightly disappointed. I thought that this guy was directly made from Dell, but not a bad thing. It's still good. I think Dell has collaborated with Corseca, so this thing should be pretty good because Dell has been regarded as one of the best companies when it comes to laptops and PCs. Their quality is extremely hi-fi in my opinion, and a lot of people respect them for that, and I think they have maintained the same thing. I mean, they should maintain the same thing with their newer collaboration. So the headphones, as you can see, is nicely folded inside that case. I have to remove the strap and pull this out. So as you can easily expect from the design, it is an around the neck, not a headband type headphone. So you have to just place it around your neck, and that thing will circle at the back of your neck, and it looks pretty cool. So here you have the left ear cup, and you have a lot of keys on there, the call key and the other keys. The right one looks similar, but it doesn't have those buttons, although it looks identical. So you can see this is the charging point, I believe. Yeah, the micro USB charging point. So pretty good to plug that thing in and charge. So 22 hours of playback time, I think it's pretty good. Pretty good for the most part. I think constant time is you don't have to charge it frequently. The headband feels kind of cheap and plasticky, but you can't help because you are getting a lot of features with that. And this headphone, I'll be talking about this headphone in my review soon. The ear cups are flexible. Yeah, you can move it slightly to get the most comfortable fit, so that's good. Also, now at this price point, I don't think you can expect for anything more. This product offers more value than its price, so I highly recommend it. I'll be coming up with the review of this headphone soon, within a few days or maybe in 2 weeks, because it's really hard for me to do all of these things at the same time, because I'm not a full-time YouTuber. I don't earn money from YouTube, but still, I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this short unboxing video. Let me know if I missed on anything in the comment section below, and I'll be really glad. So see you guys next time. Take it easy and stay tuned for more.